How to create a new Oculus account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account for your Oculus or your Meta Quest VR headset. For that, you'll need to create a new Meta account, so let's see how to do that. First thing first, you're going to open up your browser, and on the search bar, you're just going to search for Meta Quest or Oculus and tap on Oculus sign up, so hit enter. Then you'll have an option to sign up or create a new account, so open up this link right here, or you can directly open up your Meta store and just wait for it to load right here. If you already have an account, you can just directly log in, but if you don't have one, you can tap on the top right corner of your account, and then from here tap on sign up or log into Meta account. Now you will be redirected to a different page. So if you already have your Facebook connected, you could just continue with it. Or if you want to use another account, you can continue with your Facebook, Instagram, or you can just enter your email. I'm just going to continue with my Facebook because it's easy and simple. Now you can read through all of these and you'll have to tap on allow and continue. Then it will show you finish creating your Meta account, so it will show you all of your details. And then if you're interested in receiving emails about the apps for Meta Quest or recommendations and sales, you can check this box. I'm not going to do that right now. Then you can tap on create account. And once you are done creating your account, you will see your initials or logo at the top right corner on the account section. So just tap on it to confirm that you are successfully logged in. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.